Now I am going to explain about the topic genetic code. Okay, before explaining the genetic code, I would like to give brief discussion about transcription and translation. What is meant by translation? The synthesis of RNA from DNA, it is known as transcription. Nothing but the genetic information which is present on DNA, which is stored in the form of RNA or which is expressed in the form of RNA. That is known as transcription. The synthesis of proteins from RNA, it is known as translation. Here by the using of genetic information present on RNA, here proteins are synthesized. This process is known as translation. Proteins are synthesized nothing but amino acids. Okay, here topic is genetic code. Before explaining the genetic code, I would like to give brief discussion about here relationship between tRNA and mRNA. This information I already given in my previous video, that is structure of tRNA. Okay, you can see here, this is tRNA, this is tRNA, this is mRNA 5 prime to 3 prime, here 5 prime to 3 prime. Okay, here we know that tRNA consists of 5 arms. Here this is one arm attaching arm, this is T and pseudouridine cytosine arm, this is anticodon arm, this is okay D arm, here this is variable arm. Okay, here you can see here this 3 prime arm consists okay CCA 3 nucleotides, CCA cytosine adenine nucleoside sequence. Okay, to this adenine, okay, here methionine, okay, amino acids are attached. This is attaching arm, right? Here methionine amino acids are attached. Here I am representing methionine. Okay, many amino acids are attached to this arm. Okay, the tRNA nothing but transfer RNA. The transfer amino acid from RNA to amino acid to mRNA. Okay, you can see the relationship between tRNA and mRNA is here. The 3 nucleotide bases are there: adenine, uracil, and guanine. Okay, here I am taking this AUG only. Many, okay, this is whatever the 3 nucleotide base pair are known as codon. The 3 letter image is known as codon. Here the codon is there. Here this is, we know that this is anticodon arm. It consists anticodon. Okay, here the anticodon I have taken UAC. Okay, here the anticodon whatever it is present on this arm, which recognize the codon present on mRNA. The anticodon present on the tRNA, which recognize the codon present on mRNA. How? You can see this is uracil make complementary base pair with adenine only in RNA. We know that here adenine make binding with uracil. Here cytosine make with guanine. Here these are hydrogen bonds. We know that. Okay, here whatever like that way, here the anticodon present on this tRNA that recognize the codon present on mRNA. If it is any other codon, anticodon means that will recognize according to the nitrogenous base present on codon. Okay, here main thing is the codon which is present on the mRNA that decides which amino acid to be attached to the tRNA. Here I am showing methionine, MATC. MAT means methionine, right? Here the AUG 3 letter, this is the codon. Okay, this codon, it is this codon is it is representing methionine amino acid. Methionine amino acid. If any other codon is there, means that can represent another amino acid. Okay, the codon which is present on mRNA that decides which amino acids to be attached on the tRNA. That is the important point you keep in mind. Okay, let's enter into our topic, genetic code. The 3 nucleotide base sequence in mRNA that acts as a code words for amino acids in protein. Okay, this is known as genetic code. The 3 nucleotide base sequence in mRNA. Okay, this is 3 nucleotide base sequence. Here I have taken AUG 3 nucleotide base sequence in mRNA. This codon that acts as a code words for amino acids in protein, right? That acts as a code words for amino acid. This is this codon it acts as a code words for amino acid. Which amino acid? Methionine. Okay, that acts as a code words for amino acids in protein. That is known as genetic code. The genetic code is regarded as a dictionary of nucleotide bases. That may be adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Okay, this dictionary of nucleotide that determines the sequence of amino acids in proteins. Okay, nothing but these genetic code nothing but 3 letter, okay, 3 letter word only, 3 letter picture only, that determines the sequence of amino acids in proteins. Okay, for suppose here proteins are made up of many amino acids, right? Here I have taken methionine, here phenylalanine, okay, lysine, like that. Here proteins are making proteins are having many number of amino acids. Here for representing methionine in protein structure, here what is the code? What is the code here? AUG is there. For representing phenylalanine, another genetic code is there. For representing lysine, another genetic code is there. So like that, the genetic code is regarded as a dictionary that determines sequence of amino acid, the sequence of amino acid present on proteins. That is, I will tell you which amino acid, which genetic code representing the which amino acid later. The codon is 3 letter image of nucleotide which is obtained from 4 nucleotide bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Okay, this codon means the 3 letter code word consists, okay, it is obtained from these 4 nucleotide bases only. Okay, here I should not consider thymine because here consider we are taking RNA. Here synthesis of proteins are coming from RNA. RNA should not consist thymine. That's why we will take in place of the thymine, we will consider uracil. The 4 bases produce, these 4 bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil, these 4 bases produce 64 different combination of 3 base codons. 64 different combination of 3 base codons. Okay, 64 codons will be produced from these 4 nucleotides. How we know that? 4 probability 4 power 3, 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, here overall we will get 64 codons. Okay, what are the 64 codons? Okay, what are those 64 codons? I will show you now. These are the 64 codons you can see here. These are the 64 codons. What are the 4 nucleotides? Uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. These are the 64 nucleotides you can see. Here UUU and UUC is representing phenylalanine, UUA and UUG representing leucine. Here these all are representing serine, these all are representing proline, these all are representing leucine. I am showing the every amino acid, right? Here this is isoleucine, this is methionine, this is valine, this is alanine. These two representing aspartic acid and these two representing and glutamic acid. This is representing GLN, glutamine code. Okay, this code here 3-letter nucleotide base, okay, are the codes. 3-letter nucleotide bases are the code. Every code representing specific amino acids. Okay, amino acids. Then you can see the nucleotide sequence of codon on mRNA is written from 5' to 3' end. Okay, here we know that, okay, that mRNA which is obtained from 5' to 3' end only, which is here the first nucleotide base is considered as an 5'. The last codon, the last nitrogenous base is considered as 3'. Okay, and here how many out of 64 codons are forming, right? Out of 64, 61 codons are code for 20 amino acids found in the protein. Out of 64, 61 codons are coding the 20 amino acids found in the protein. We know that proteins are proteins are made up of repeatedly found in we know that 20 amino acids are repeatedly found in the structure of proteins. These 61 codons representing 20 amino acids. What about remaining 3? These 3 codons, those are UAA and UAG and UGA, don't code for amino acid, means they do not represent any amino acid. They act as a stop signals in protein. They act as stop signals in proteins. Okay, if these codons are present on mRNA, means by that immediately the protein synthesis will be stopped. Okay, they act as a stop signals in protein synthesis because they do not code any amino acid. Okay, these three codons are collectively known as termination codons or nonsense codons. While termination codons, protein synthesis is terminated, right? That's why terminated codons are nonsense codons. And the codon AUG and sometimes GUG are the chain initiating codons. Chain initiating codons means, okay, most of the time protein synthesis will occur by the presence of, okay, this AUG, means first initial Initiation of protein synthesis will be will be done by the presence of this codon present on mRNA. Here I given that AUG, it's representing methionine. Most of the protein synthesis will occur by the presence of occur by the AUG, presence of AUG code. Okay, then I told you that here you remember nucleotide sequence of codon and mRNA is written from 5' end to 3' end. Okay, here I can show you 61 amino acids, right? Okay, here 61 amino acids. What are the here out of 64 codons, right? Here I have shown you 64 codons. Out of 64 codons, 61 codons are representing the amino acid, coding the amino acid, except 3. What are those? UAA and UAG and UGA stop signals of protein, stop signals, because they do not code any amino acid. Whenever these code present on mRNA means by that way the protein synthesis will be stopped immediately. Here AUG, most of the time AUG are the chain initiating codons, means protein synthesis starting will consist AUG present on the mRNA. Okay, then you see this is uracil consists the first starting letter starting nitrogenous basis is uracil. That's why I have taken U. Here first base on 5' end, first base, that is uracil. Okay, that is 5' end. Everywhere in this 5' end is first is uracil only. And you can see third base at 3' end. What is the third base in every codon? Third base is this one, uracil. You can see uracil. Here also uracil. Okay, here cytosine. You can see adenine and adenine everywhere. Guanine. Third base is third base of guanine. Here like that it will be present. I given like that only. Okay, these three are very important for objective purpose, for GPAT or PG set purpose. Okay, and this is and other characteristics of genetic code. What are the characteristics of genetic code? The genetic code is universal, specific, non-overlapping and degenerate. I told you that universal, specific, non-overlapping and degenerate. How it will be the universal? You see, universality. Okay, the same codons are used to code for the same amino acids in all living organisms. Okay, same codons are used to code for the same amino acids in all living organisms. What is the meaning of that? You can see here this UUU, it always code phenylalanine in the phenylalanine amino acid present on the protein. This UUA always represent leucine. This CCU always represent proline. Okay, this AC always represent threonine. This AUG always represent methionine. Okay, like every codon that represents specific amino acid present on the proteins. Okay, same codons are used to code for the same amino acid in all living organisms. Hence the genetic code is regarded as universal. But however, some exceptions are there. What are those? AUA, okay, it code methionine when it is present in mitochondria. The same code, that is AUA, it code isoleucine when it is present in cytoplasm. You can see here same code here, same code, it represent methionine, same code represent isoleucine in different places. For this one exception is there. Remaining all represent same amino acid. Only this code representing 2 amino acids. And specificity, a particular codon always codes for the same amino acid. Okay, hence genetic code is highly specific. I told you that every specific codon always codes for same amino acid. Like AUG, that represent methionine always only. It doesn't represent phenylalanine or tyrosine like that only. It represents methionine. Okay, like UGG is the codon for tryptophan. Means this codon which is present on mRNA, it is always represent tryptophan only. Okay, if this codon present on mRNA means okay, the incoming amino acid to be attached to the tRNA, that is tryptophan. Okay, non-overlapping, third character, the genetic code is read from fixed point as a continuous base sequence. It is non-overlapping, commaless, without any punctuation. Means you can see here UUU, CUU, AGA, GG. It is a continuous base sequence. Okay, here there is no overlapping, there is no comma, there is no there is no any punctuation in this. For while reading, we should be read as UUU as a one code, CCU as a one genetic code, AGE as a one genetic code, GGG as a one genetic code. We will put slash. Okay, but while present on mRNA, it will be continuous base sequence only. Okay, and degenerate. Most of the amino acids have more than one codon. Most of the amino acids have more than one codon. You can see serine is serine, it is represented by 4 codons, and proline is represented by 4 codons. You can see here isoleucine here 3, and methionine and valine 4. Okay, glutamic acid here 2, aspartic acid here 2. Then lysine, you can see most of the amino acids whatever, okay, representing more than one codon. Most of the amino acids have more than one codon. The codon is degenerate since there are 61 codons available to code for only 20 amino acids. Okay, overall 61 codons are there. The 61 codons available for coding only for 20 amino acids, because these 20 amino acids are repeatedly found in the structure of proteins. Okay, 61 codons, 20 amino acids. For suppose example I given, glycine has 4 codons. Okay, this is about complete concept of genetic code. Okay, thank you.